My first object is the potted plant. Its shape consists of two parts, the leaves and the pot. You can easily break it down into some lines and circles as the basic shape principle. From those shapes, you can make a humanoid form. My imagination suddenly sees the plants can be the shape of something like a hare, and then the rest of it follows as I keep my strokes flowing through randomness. I don't know how it goes at first, then, I think it's more like a rooster. This is why I recommend you break down any objects near you. Surprisingly, it can be unique to its own. I love how it turned out, but let's keep the refinement later. My second object is a tiny perfume bottle. The way I see it, this object can be easily broken down into two parts, the top and the bottom. The bulky part of the object reminds me of the ox form or cow kid. Minotaur is also a hybrid character, but I will keep it simple and cute for a tutorial. I will focus on the head of my cow kid. The expression can be as simple as smiling, and all normal features of a domestic cow or an ox are their bells or other signs. The third object is another medium-sized perfume. It can be broken down into three parts. I guess this one should be a bunny hybrid character design, with a robe, sunglasses or anything else that could fit with the design. I just got the idea of making this rabbit character into a cute-looking bunny girl. And it pops into my mind that we should make things simple at first and then add extra lovely details after we get the whole image rendered in our mind. Another one of the perfumes that you see is the tallest. I've got an idea of Anubis, the god of funerary rites, protector of graves, and guide to the underworld, usually depicted as a canine or a man with a canine head. Because the idea is too serious, I switched it to a dog or fox kinda hybrid character instead. Still, with the dog ears inspired by Anubis, I created the fun version of a guardian dog named Sir Douglas. Well, it turned out to be one of the hybrid characters who wields a sword, like in the game or Middle-earth Kingdom. There you go. The hybrid squad is ready for your service.